Dimensions. Commands to place dimensions in your drawings easy, with many options. Horizontal dimensions. Draws horizontal dimensions. Set options for leading zeros and decimal places. First pick where to place dimension line and then select points to specify first dimension. Options to continue, or exit, or change decimal places. Press Enter to continue. If dimension is less than 30 cm, type L or R to move dimension for clarity. Vertical dimensions. Draws vertical dimensions. Set options for leading zeros and decimal places. First pick where to place dimension line and then select points to specify first dimension. Options to continue, or exit, or change decimal places. Press Enter to continue. If dimension is less than 30 cm, type U or D to move dimension for clarity. Aligned dimensions. Select an object or pick 2 points to define an angle to align dimension line. Options and prompts are as previous commands. Select points to specify each dimension. Dimension, radius. Creates a radius dimension for a circle or an arc. Diameter dimension. Creates a diameter dimension for a circle or an arc. Dimension center mark. Creates the center mark or the center lines of circles and arcs. Dimensions linear factor. Specify dimension linear factor for drawings with scales other than what is set in setup. Useful command when you have many scales on one sheet. Dimension linear factor units. Change dimension units from meters to centimeters or millimeters. Set new linear factor and select dimensions to change. Dimension linear factor original. Sets dimension linear factor to default value 1. Update. Updates dimension objects with the current dimension style. Move dimension. Move dimensions text to new location. Change dimension. Select a dimension to edit its value. Leading zeros. Suppress leading zero for dimensions. Change decimal places. Specify how many decimal places to show after period. Dimension arrows. Change dimension arrow for new dimensions, or updates all or selected existing dimensions. Turn dimensions to block. Turns selected dimensions to block. Easy way to copy dimensions from drawing to drawing. For each command follow prompt line, for more options.